Today I'll show you how to display latency and packet loss in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So during an online game, pause your game by pressing the options buttons in your controller, then go to settings and then select interface. On the interface, scroll down to Telemetry and enable this server latency option and packet loss option. So as you can see at the top left corner, it has been enabled, and now you can see your latency and the packet loss. You can also enable this connection meter so that it can be displayed well in your game. So when you go back to your game, at the top left corner you can see your latency and packet loss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Attack me!